Ekombi. That's why I'm trying to get you. But I'm going to continue from where Dr. Grace stopped. And those are the basics. One, please, I need everybody stand up. Let's do this.
I'm ready.
Also, Ekombi has a rhythm. Ekombi has a rhythm. If you cannot play this in your head, it will be hard. This rhythm has to be stuck in your head. Everybody, let's go. That rhythm has to be stuck in your head because that's just your basic movement. So please, let's do it uniformly, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Good, that's so fast, okay? Again, you can do yoke with that rhythm, but for Ekombi, it has to stay on the tempo. Now watch this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I need you guys, come on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Join the line. Everybody join the line. Keep the line moving. You got this. Come on. Let's encourage. 2. Everybody. 1, 2. 1, 2. Left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. Right. 2. You have to get it. 1, 2. See? 1, 2. 1, 2. Yes? 1, 2. With this, you can do it all day. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
So keep your right foot in the front, and then move it, and then move. 1, 2.
All right, stay in the circle. For this class, I'm lifting up my leg so you can see what I'm doing. 1. See that? You see that? This is your strong leg, right? If you get this, 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. In your hands. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. See that? See that? It becomes natural. Because it's like, I'll see you at Walmart tomorrow. This is what you'll be going to Walmart like. And I'll see you at Kroger. You'll be like, hey! See that? That easy. Alright, so relax your shoulder. See? Relax your shoulder, put your hand down. You see that? Alright, so again, as long as you can give us 1, 2, 1, 2, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. See, it becomes natural. So even if you're going down, now when you get to the next level, this is different. See, I don't lift the legs on this level, but for this level, got that? All right, one more. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Auntie Felicia, get it?
You're welcome.
So basically, this is where you get the ocean movement. This is where you get the ocean movement. When you let your body flow. Alright? Come up. We need to take out again. This was the first of its kind at this joint.